Introducing the HG series, a high-speed, high-precision press brake from AMADA. It's driven by a servo-hydraulic drive system that provides fast cycle times with exceptional accuracy. With quick approach, bending, and return speeds, the HG allows fabricators to easily achieve higher levels of bending productivity. The HG series is available with tonnage capacities ranging between 55 to 240 tons and bed lengths up to 169 inches. An open height of 20.5 inches and stroke length of 9.8 inches provides fabricators maximum bending versatility. An 8-axis back gauge positions itself quickly and accurately. Independent servo drives gives users the capability to perform tapered bends, and an L-shift feature is also available to increase gauging versatility. L-shift allows the back gauge fingers to move independently to accurately gauge asymmetrical parts. An automatic sliding foot pedal works in tandem with the high-speed back gauge and allows operators to efficiently bend anywhere along the length of the machine. Tools are easily installed using the standard A-grip punch holders on the HG. Combined with AMADA's fixed height tooling, complex tool staging can be quickly accomplished. AFH tooling allows multiple punch profiles to be utilized within the same setup. The high repeatability rate of 4 microns on the HG is ensured by linear encoders that are mounted on the side of the machine and isolated from any frame deflection. A hydraulic dynamic crowning mechanism is built into the bed design of the HG series. This feature compensates for any frame deflection during bending and achieves consistent bends throughout the entire length of the machine. To ensure consistent bend angles and eliminate scrap, the HG offers a bend indicator sensor. As the ram descends and bends the material, BIS will activate and compensate for any material springback. AMADA's AMNC3i touchscreen control reduces the learning curve for operators by providing an easy-to-use graphical interface and 4 programming modes: depth mode, angle mode, 2D and 3D modes. Depth mode allows operators to use the teaching hand wheel to set all the axes and generate a program. Angle mode utilizes a graphic tool database where the operator enters tooling, material, and part information to create a program with the proper bend allowances calculated by the control. 2D mode accepts part profile drawings simply by using the touchscreen control. After inputting all the angles and dimensions, the control will select appropriate tooling and generate a bend sequence complete with 2D side views of each bend. 3D mode utilizes programs generated automatically with AMADA's Dr. Abe Bend software. Offline programming helps increase productivity by verifying parts in a 3D environment, thereby eliminating machine idle time. Once a part is automatically verified, tooling setup, bend sequence, and 3D information is stored in a single program on your company's server and easily retrieved at the AMNC3i control. The HG series provides all of the necessary tools for precision forming operations in an economical turnkey package. Visit us online to learn more about the HG series of press brakes and our full line of innovative manufacturing solutions.